Good morning. My name is Oscar Bimasona and my student ID is 2024-32-012. Uh, Now today I will present my technical report and implementation regarding web development fundamental. Okay, first is let's define our core tools HTML, or we call it as hypertext markup language. Is the structural framework of a web page is defined content hierarchy telling the browser what is heading, a table, or a from. And CSS heading style sheet is, however, is the presentation layer is transformed raw HTML into a polished user interface by controlling layout, colors, and typography. Okay, the best practices indentation and external CSS. Is why do we pass indentation? It is a part of clean code practice. Internet indentation make the parent-child relationship in the code visible, which is crucial for debugging and team collaboration. Furthermore, we utilize external CSS by separating design from content we retrieve. First is reusable one CSS file can style multiple page. Efficiency is reduced loading time as browsers the style sheet. Three, maintains updating one file just the entire site loop. Okay, you can see here, okay, like how the structural CSS and HTML define. So this is example of HTML. CSS, the presentation alignment is how HTML elements are present on screen, focusing on color palettes, typographic system, grid layout, and flexible box models, animation and interactive transition, responsive across mobile and desktop device. The follow of code indentation, first is visual hierarchy, efficient debugging, and team scalability. Now is person of concern. As you can see here. Now, advantage of external CSS first is universal reusability, centralized maintenance, optimization, and clean code base. Performance and scale impacts is 60% maintenance speeds. External CSS reduce the time required for site-wide visual audit and style update by over half compared to inline method. Now we categorize CSS class type is first is component, utility, and last one is state. If you guys any question, just comment in below. Okay. Next, I want to show you my project. Now let's see examine the implementation of those code concept in my project files. First is for clone HTML for the login portal. I use Bootstrap for create responsive layout. The core feature here is the from action by setting action equal inventories.html. The system simulates successful login by redirecting the user to inventory page when they click masuk system. Sorry. Okay, now is inventories HTML and stock HTML. In this page, the focus is on HTML tables. First, in inventories HTML, I put a clean list of hardware specification, as you can see here, guys. And in stock HTML, I implemented a more complex table using row span and colspan attribute to create a professional inventory analysis, actually as seen in the laboratorium requirements. Now we move to pendaftaran HTML. Okay, here the requirement page use verify form elements like text inputs, Drop-down select checkbox for programming language and text editor for vision and mission. This demonstrates how HTML handles the user data input. Now, here is style CSS I use to my page for look more interactive. Now, guys, let's live code to implement our project. Okay, first, I want to background color. Maybe I will use code 5. Sorry, V05 to V5. Okay. Font family I will use family Verdana sans serif. Okay. Your margin is sorry. Background color I will use code is like Z60. No, 5. Here for our text align with the center. Okay. Next to navigation. Forget something. This color is D1D eight eight. Okay. Okay. Next to negative visuals. Uh, yeah, from legend group. Yeah, well, pause for a second. Okay, because I don't want to wasting time, so I post the video and just let's see our progress. How is final? Okay, let's run. Okay, as you see, guys, it's more like the website is already done. Like our teacher asked to us how to make the practicum, so I will this totally uh, totally right. So you guys, so that's it for me. Thank you guys for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.